Hello Facebook. It is Melissa from the Top Drawer RVA hopping on with a new project. It's the weekend. That doesn't mean that I stop working. If anything, I probably do more because everybody's just kicking around the house and I can do a little bits at a time and finish projects here and there. So I am hopping on today to show you how to use no paint gel stain. There's a cute little dresser behind me and I've already painted one coat in a beautiful base of Midnight Sky. It's a gorgeous kind of a graphite-y black color. It's really pretty and it's got great coverage. This is just one coat on here right now and it's almost enough, but it's gonna get one more. I will do another coat. I will use my spray misting bottle and I will finish the base of this dresser. So the drawers for this little beauty are kind of fun. So this is I believe an oak wood, okay? This is a really pretty wood, but as you can see, it's got a lot of dings, it's got a lot of scuffs. It needs some love, okay? So my plan for this dresser is to paint the base and stain the drawers. If you've been following me for a little while, you know I'm a big fan of No Paint Gel Stain by Dixie Belle. It has just been released in a new container. It's a great size. I actually like this size a lot better because I find that I don't put my lids on well enough and I don't want huge products to dry out and be ruined forever. So this is a smaller size, okay? This is just like 500 milliliters. It's just a little half can, and this little can is gonna last me probably 6 months or more. I use it on almost every project, but I wanna show you how little you use and how you apply it, or how I apply it anyways. So today's project is gonna be the Espresso gel stain. I have a tiny bit left in my old formula can, okay? This is almost empty. I'm gonna use it because it's like liquid gold. You don't wanna waste it. And I'm gonna show you how I apply mine. So there's a couple things you need to know. Before I'm doing this, I have cleaned this drawer with White Lightning. White Lightning is a powdered cleaner that you put into a water base. I like to put it in a spray bottle. If projects are super dirty, I will put it into a warm bowl of water and really scrub things clean. I mean, these old vintagey pieces have a lot of years of dirt and grime on them. You need to clean them well before you get started. So clean with White Lightning. After you've cleaned with White Lightning, you're gonna go in and you're gonna give a light sand, okay, in the direction of the wood grain, just to make sure you're removing any lumps and bumps. If I wanted to, I could go in really heavy in sand. Gel stain can go on a fully sanded surface, totally fine. It will absorb darker, I find, in the color that I like. But the reason I like no paint gel stain is because this is inside. I'm in my dining room right now, okay? I'm painting in here today. It's a little cold outside for me in the she shed, so this is where it's at. There is a small smell to it, not strong. Open a window, you'll be completely fine. It doesn't bother me at all. The reason I like my no paint gel stain is that it is a no sand product. I don't have to sand this down to the bare wood. I don't have to bring this back to the original wood that normally you would have to do if you're using a regular stain. Because regular stain absorbs, gel stain sits on top of your project a little bit more thicker, hides your lumps and bumps and all your little things, but it fixes the problem, okay? So gel stain is a thicker, kind of a pudding-like consistency. If you can see in there, it's not too sloppy, it's not too liquid. I like to apply it with a rag, okay? I have a t-shirt like rag. I've already done one drawer, it's just over on my Instagram, and I showed them too. So I'm gonna take my rag, and this is basically an old t-shirt. I keep old t-shirts and old rags to cut up and use for my projects, reduce, reuse, recycle. And if you don't have a rag, you can buy a bag of rags at Lowe's. If you don't want to do that, go to your local Goodwill or your thrift store. They always have sheets. I buy old sheets, rip them up and keep them in my shed. It's a great way to apply your gel stain. All right, here you go. Rag, glove, gel stain. I'm gonna reach my hand in here because I'm getting close to the bottom, and I'm gonna show you how easy this is. I'm gonna put this down. I've got my clean drawer, okay? This drawer has been cleaned and is ready to go. All you're going to do is wipe this on in the direction of the wood grain, okay? One dip of this no paint gel stain is gonna be enough to cover this entire drawer. Can you see the difference already that it's making? It hides all those imperfections. It brings a gorgeous color out. Look at that. Look at that. So easy. It's my favorite. You know, it's not hard to do when I do the hardware back on here and the original keyholes and actually seal this piece. it's gonna look like $1 million. It's gonna look so good, so deep, and super rich. So there you go. I've just coated one drawer with no paint gel stain, wiped on in the direction of the wood grain, and it's finished. How easy was that? You can totally do this. It's not hard. If you want to try your own no paint gel stain, there is a link above my head. You can go ahead and click on that. They do ship to Canada. You can seal this with a multitude of products. You can use clear coat. You can use gator hide. I've even seen it where people don't seal it. I do. I always seal my projects. I like to make sure that they're durable and strong. I'm going to go to the customer with a beautiful finish. So one coat, no paint gel stain, super easy. I've taken that old wood drawer that needed a little bit of love. I didn't have to sand it. I didn't have to get messy. All I did was put that no paint gel stain on, and we are good to go. There you go. I just want to show you how easy it is. And now I can finish them. I've got 3 more to do. So if you have any questions, send me a message. I'm always answering my direct messages. I'm happy to chat about Dixie Belle. I mean, I wouldn't use it. I wouldn't talk about it all the time if I didn't love it. I love it. So Midnight Sky, no paint gel stain. This project will be done by the end of the day. That's the other good thing about this, is that it dries very quickly. If you wanted to do 2 full coats, you could. I'm only gonna do 1 coat on each drawer. 1 coat and 1 sealing coat, along with this gorgeous hardware that I don't wanna touch and get stuff all over it. Check it out, it's gonna look so pretty. I'm really excited about this piece. It's very masculine. It's a gorgeous vintage tall boy. Stay tuned, because I bet you I finish it today. All right, I hope everybody's having a great day. Try some no paint gel stain. It's not hard, you can do it.